actual job. And nobody suspects I'm not who I say I am. So far, so good. And once Dr. Zere helps me manage these symptoms I'm dealing with, I'll be even better.
Alright, so the symptoms seem to be the most dangerous part of everything going down right now. Quite unfortunately.
Oh, you're the new scout. Rahim radioed me about you.
Right, so we've got
Yeah, that's
power
me. Name's
over
Crane.
Heroes.
I'm not gonna bother learning your name till you've survived a few days, but here, this is for you. By the way, word around the tower is you're just another deadbeat in line for food or antizin. By which I mean, the people here don't much like you. But don't blame them. It's easy to get paranoid when you're isolated. And since somebody's jamming communications to the outside, there's plenty of paranoia to go around. Whole damn city with nobody to call for help but ourselves. You bring me some supplies from the airdrops, though, and you'll see people change their tunes in a hurry. That shit's a game changer.
Thanks. I'll bear that in mind. Listen, is there anything else? I'm in a bit of a rush.
Also, if you're looking to get more popular, you can try helping folks. Do a few favors, they might like you more. Might even find a woman. Keep you warm at night.
I think I heard that. I'm gonna assume I did. I guess where you can take... No, why not? Something I'm never a big fan of is when they don't have subtitles on by default. Do they have subtitles actually? Yes, it does.
To a step.
So, I take it we've either got infinite or extremely little battery on the flashlight.
Okay, new guy, be careful out there. We've lost too many already.
Hey, at least he's, at least we're being let out, I guess. Have to go touch some grass.
Okay, noob. You've got Dr. Zere set up in a semi-trailer on a fenced-in playing court. When you leave the tower, hang a left and head due south. You can't miss it.
It's Crane, kid.
All right, Crane. Just keep moving. There's no time to take in the sights. And too much
Wait, so do these two
noise.
fight again?
Sound attracts those fuckers.
Right, so that doesn't refill until we've used it all? Yeah, so, I'd say I've somewhat mastered hand-to-hand combat now. Yeah, there's enough zombies.
Rotting fuckers never figure out how to climb on top of a van.
Oh, wait.
Doctor? Hello? Anybody there?
Camden, are you there? Damn it.
So I'm supposed to get a vaccine?
What? No, suppressant. It's called antizin.
Yeah,
Suppresses the
weren't we
symptoms.
supposed to
Here,
deliver
see
it anyways?
Antizin postpones the inevitable. Best the GRE could do.
Inevitable. So there's no cure?
It's a variation of rabies. There's no cure right now, but you see, I've been running tests on both antizin and infected tissue.
I mean,
A cure
Flash
is
Freezing
possible,
has,
definitely possible.
I think
Oh,
their
shit. You really think you can figure it out?
With Dr. Camden's help, yes.
effectiveness
I
on
think so.
rabies then.
Now, where did I put
Nothing.
that injector?
Who's Dr. Camden?
A colleague trapped in Sector 0, where the outbreak first, well, broke out.
I believe that,
We've been collaborating via radio, though we would
yeah,
have
you
made
also
more
don't know whether or not you
progress
got
if the
rabies
connection
until it's
were
too
better.
late.
Also, if my earlier experiments had borne fruit. I tried injecting recombined versions of the virus into chunks of meat and leaving them around the city, hoping some of the infected would eat them so I could observe and document the results.
I guess that probably works.
But they didn't?
It bore no fruit. I'm ashamed that I wasted so much time on it. No reason to hold any antizin in reserve now. In any case, all right, I'm quite busy, so on your way now. What was I doing?
Alright, so, the thing about rabies is that I believe it has to reproduce
Raheem,
for
Zara checked me out and gave me another
anywhere
shot.
from a day
Okay,
to,
great. That ought to hold you
like
for a while,
eels.
which is good, because I'm starting to get used to the idea of bossing you around. So, time for a real trial. Go talk to Spike. You'll find him near Zera's truck. He's got the first real job for you.
Yo, you Spike? You Spike?
Keep a distance from Rise's men. They just as soon shoot you. Keep a lookout for the colored.
Hey, Spike? I'm Crane.
Just what I need. More unskilled labor. All right, shut up and pay attention. There are two types of airdrops.
Okay.
One is food, first
Rude.
aid supplies, survival gear, and such. The other kind is filled with antizin. The GRE sends in a one-way video feed that lets us know when they're on the way. Look, the trouble is, the airdrops with antizin keep getting raided by Rise's thugs. And without antizin, we're basically screwed. Rise and his boys only operate during the day because going out after dark is a dandy way to get killed.
If
But
you
the
don't
next two
know how
antizin
to
drops are coming down right
stay
at
up.
sunset tonight, and Brecken means to go after them. This may be our only chance to reach the airdrop.
What's my part here?
Well, as I said, going out at night is
Okay, good.
basically
So it can be
suicide.
tossed.
Or it would be
Don't
if I hadn't been setting up safe zones and traps out there for weeks now, which I have. Now, Brecken and his team will be okay tonight so long as you get out there now and arm those traps. That's your part.
All right. What are these traps and how do I arm them?
You'll see. I'll be talking you through it. Just remember, without these traps, Brecken won't survive the night. And if he doesn't come back with antizin, we are lost. Before you head out there,
And
grab some
stick 'em business,
firecrackers.
start out.
Made them myself. They make a fine distraction if you get in trouble.
You heard the man. Firecrackers, take them.
Oh. Oh.
You seem a little bit under the weather.
Looting's the key to survival. Yeah, I probably could have done that.